In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a 401k rollover to a traditional IRA in TurboTax. If you received a 1099-R for your rollover, this is where you'll begin entering that information so TurboTax can classify it correctly. The goal here is to make sure the distribution is reported properly and that your rollover is handled accurately in your return. Start by going to the Federal section in TurboTax. This is where you'll find the main tax categories related to income, deductions, and other common filing items. Once you're in Federal, move your cursor over Income to open the income-related options. From there, look for the section called IRA, 401k, and pension plan withdrawals, and click into it. This is the area TurboTax uses for retirement distributions, including withdrawals and rollovers reported on Form 1099-R. If your money moved from a 401k into a traditional IRA, this is the correct section to use because the transaction is still reported as a retirement distribution, even if it was rolled over instead of cashed out. Next, TurboTax will ask, did you get a 1099-R in 2025? If you did receive one from your retirement plan administrator, select Yes. This tells TurboTax that you need to enter a retirement distribution form. It's important to answer this carefully because the 1099-R is the key document used to report the rollover. After you click Yes, TurboTax will guide you to locate your financial institution or account provider. At this point, use the search bar to find your account. Typing in the institution name is usually the fastest way to pull it up. This can save time and help reduce entry errors, especially if TurboTax offers import options or a list of matching providers. As you go through this process, it's a good idea to have your 1099-R in front of you so you can match the account information exactly. Even small differences in the institution name can make it harder to find the right account. If you don't immediately see it, try a shorter version of the provider name or a key part of the name rather than typing the full title. Once you've found the correct account, you'll be in the right place to continue entering the 1099-R details and make sure the rollover is reflected properly. This setup step is simple, but it's important because it lays the groundwork for TurboTax to recognize that your 401k fund went into a traditional IRA rather than being taken as taxable cash.